are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. All right, y'all, let's just go ahead and get right into the tutorial. First thing we're gonna do is take the two longer woods. We're gonna just lay it up this way. And then second one is gonna be these smaller woods. I'm gonna be putting one right here. We're gonna be measuring in between. This depends on what you're gonna use this for. Now, if you're gonna be using it for nail polish, you wanna kind of put your nail polish in there and measure it out. Make sure there's room top so you can put it in. Top part I'm going to use for my smaller nail polish. Middle ones I probably use for the bigger ones. This I'm going to place right there. Leave a little bit of space at the top so you, of course you can put it in. They're smaller size nail polish. Just lay it out. Let's go ahead and glue this in place. I'm just going to start gluing one at a time. And then just continue to do the rest of the wood. Next step, we're going to be adding our crates. It's two of them. The ones that has the handle, we're going to put right here. All the way to the bottom, make sure it's even out. We're going to glue that on there. We're going to be taking the other wood and we're going to be putting it on this side here. So much easier to do it this way. And put some glue on the sides of these here. All right. And then we put it on there, right here. Then we're gonna put another, it looks like this, underneath here. Okay, make sure it's all the way to the bottom too, like everything is leveled. Now, it should look like this so far. So our next step is we are going to be getting some cardboard. It'll be the base for the back. We'll put it right on top of there. Trace that out. Once you do that, lift that up and cut that out. We're going to be getting our adhesive shelf liner. I purchased this one from Walmart. I'm going to be using this to cover this board here. And so I'm going to just go ahead and cut that out and then cover that over. Cut the corners. Cover this piece as well. Once you're finished, the back and this is the front, and this is what we're going to be in our shelf. On top of that, we're going to glue it down and place it on top of that. I could glue. I'm just going to glue all the way around, and I'm going to glue these areas here and then here as well. And then I'm going to put it down like that. So go ahead and glue that on there, and then afterwards we'll get to the next step. That's how it's going to look after we finish putting our back base in there. We also need cardboard that we need to cut out, which measures 12 inch by 3 inch. And I'm gonna be putting it right here. So me sitting at the top here. Then afterwards, as well, this is optional, you can also cut out other pieces of cardboard that measures the length of this here. Basically, it's a border to protect the nail polish from falling out of it. If you don't want that, you don't have to put that there. Mine measures 1/2 inch by 11 3/4 of an inch. I just cut it out, and then what I did was put some, once again, adhesive liner on there, cover it up so we can put it right here. There can be one right there. If you don't want it, probably don't need it, but I think it looks pretty, and plus I like the border. I like the protection. I'm gonna glue these on here as well. I'm gonna go to the bottom here. This liner here that I have, you can get it from Dollar Tree. This is peel and stick wallpaper, and I use it to cover that. Then put some white liner and cover that up with whatever you want. You can use the same style here if you want to put that on there. I think I probably will cover it up with this. Okay, this is how it looks after I finish gluing these in place. And then also inside there, I end up using the Dollar Tree wallpaper sticker. I'm using it, and I put that there, and then I put one of these borders right here as well. I think it looks beautiful. I love it. So let's wrap it up. Let me go ahead and put the crates that we have. We're gonna put those. There's gonna be a little drawer, and then we're gonna get those 2 little handles to put on here, so we can be able to pull our drawer. So let's go ahead and put that on there. It looks great, y'all. Let me switch it this way so you guys can see a better picture. It's beautiful. I love it. Go ahead and fill this up, and then afterwards I can show you the results of it. Okay, everyone, this is how it looks after I fill it up with all of my nail polish. It looks really good. And these are all glitter that I use as well. And in the drawer, I have a few nail art stickers and a glue stick and some nail powder and brush. And then this other drawer, I have nail wipes and just other random things in there for my nails. And I love it. It looks so pretty. And I was thinking too, also, when I came up with an idea, because I have nail filers and other stuff that I would like it to be part of that. I got these from Dollar Tree. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this pencil holder. I was thinking about putting it, gluing it onto the side here, just so I can have like my nail filer and my brushes in the corner there. So I put some stuff in this. I'm gonna probably put 2 of them. So this one already, I packed it with a few things inside of it. See, and it has my nail filer and my manicure and pedicure drill. And then I have some brushes here and some just other things that I use for my nails. And I just thinking about putting that stuff like right there, right next to it like that. It's only so much it can hold in the drawer too, so I figure I can add that. That's more accessories of my nail stuff, and I think it worked out pretty good. I'm gonna do both of these. I think I'm gonna put one on one end and one on the other end like that. That's just something I threw out there. That's not part of the tutorial, just in case you want to add some more storage. So I will do that. I glue those 2 in there. That way I have more storage to put more of my stuff, so I don't have to be limited with the space. And you can use this for your craft room. You can put your paint, you can do jewelry, you can do makeup, This is a multi-purpose organizer, so it's not specifically targeted just for nail polish. It can be used for whatever you see fit.